How cool is it if in just one click I can reschedule all my tasks if there's any changes to it? So the traditional way, for example, if I have to schedule 3 different tasks for work, I need to prepare KPI reports and write minutes, and for personal, I need to bring my dog Ruby for grooming. I will have to look at my schedule, find where are all the empty slots, and then one by one add in the task, and that is problem number 1. Next, on a particular day, let's say I'm scheduled to do swimming, but for some reasons I end late. Then what's going to happen? My next 2 tasks scheduled for the day are going to be affected. So the traditional way, I have to click on edit, and then I have to edit the task manually one by one. And that is not the way to go in this era. So let me introduce you to my automated smart scheduler that I created on Excel. Okay, so this is how the automated smart scheduler looks like in Excel. This line over here is to show the current time. So right now the time is about 10:40 p.m. So the line is placed here automatically. If you look to the top left, there is a mini calendar. You can click on the left or right arrows to toggle to the previous or the next month. You can also select a date in the month and it's going to bring you to that schedule. It will highlight the row of the selected date and it will show the events and tasks scheduled for the week. Currently I don't have anything, so that's why you don't see any shapes. You can click on the left or right arrow to toggle to the previous and next week, and then when you click on the today button, it's going to bring you right back to the current week and the current date. So now if I were to click to the next week, this is the schedule that I've already prepared for next week. And if you see for Monday, my meetings, I have meetings from 9:30, and then I have another meeting at 2 p.m. and I have a task schedule which is to edit dashboard at 3:45 p.m. So now let's say for some reasons I am given, I get a message and I'm told to send out a progress report and I have to do it by Monday. So I will just have to click on add task. I will type I have a work event and I have to send out progress report. The deadline will be 6th of May and maybe I will need about 2.5 hours to do that task, and it's considered priority because the deadline is by 6th of May. So when I click save, the task will be added, and if you realize this edit dashboard that was initially scheduled on Monday has been pushed to Tuesday. The reason is because this takes priority and the deadline is on 6th of May. So now let's say I have managed to complete this task. Maybe I didn't need 2.5 hours. I managed to do it during my lunchtime. I just have to click on the task and click completed. And once I do that, now the dashboard that was pushed to Tuesday is now back on Monday because there's an available time slot here. So that's about it for this smart scheduler. Thank you for watching so far.